replacing this old Badger 100 third horsepower garbage disposal. As you can tell, currently it's already got the nice quick connect, which makes things a little easier. It's already got the vent running up for the dishwasher. And then we've got some funkiness going on back here. So we have a new XL5 incinerator that we'll be putting in here today. What we're doing here is we're utilizing the InSinkErator half horsepower standard series Badger 5XL. You can pick these up at pretty much any home repair place. I picked mine up at Lowe's, but they also carry them at Home Depot and a handful of other. So the first thing we're going to do here is actually be removing the vent line for the dishwasher. We'll also be removing the drain so that we can then fully disconnect from up here using the quick connect. Before doing all of this, of course, make sure that you have unplugged the power so that nobody gets a nice shock. As you can see, we've got the disposal removed at this point. Gotta love that easy, quick disconnect there. We'll go ahead and get this out of here and start getting the new one installed. As you can see, I've already added in the extra power cord kit. This unit does not come pre-corded, so you will have to remove this access panel, utilize a cord kit to run inside, make that connection so that then you can run it out to a standard NEMA 15 outlet, which makes things a lot easier for folks to do it themselves. Otherwise, what you would need to do is run your conduit for your power and make the connection here utilizing your Romex connection. This plug, you can change it out to screw in a hard line for conduit, but this just seems to be an easier path. All right, we've got the new unit installed using the old coupler with the new easy attachment. One thing I did notice is because it's got a little key up in here that doesn't allow this to spin, so you can spin the whole unit. I did have to put the unit in a little bit sideways and then slowly rotate the whole unit around so that we have the vent line and exhaust out on the other side. So we've got that going so far. We'll go ahead and continue on getting this stuff attached for you. One thing I want to remind you all is pop this plug out of the nice vent line if you've got a dishwasher that runs through. Otherwise, it's just going to backfill and make a big old mess. So this is something that I apologize, I actually forgot about myself, and I've done multiples of these, but sometimes you just get caught up in the moment. So make sure you pop out that plug. Okay, sorry for the lighting here, guys, but right now we are checking for any leaks, and so far no leaks up here around the main piece, none back here, none back here. As you can see, water is flowing and coming on through. So I did double check the disposal. I went ahead and plugged that guy in. Turn it on, everything works great. So again, this is the Badger XL5-2. Feel free to check it out. Seems like a pretty decent unit. Oops, sorry about that. Seems like a pretty good unit, guys. Listen how quiet that is. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful in some form or fashion. Just again, reminder, I'm not a professional. I do this stuff as a, quote, weekend warrior. So if you notice anything that maybe should be done differently, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't be too brutal. And if you'd like, check out some of my other videos. Hope you guys have a great one.